Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris Han. I review fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products on this channel. If you've been curious about at-home IPL hair removal devices, but feel a little bit overwhelmed by so many options out there, this video is for you. Today I'm making this a beginner-friendly IPL guide. I'll explain how IPL actually works, what features really matters when choosing an IPL, and how to tell which ones are worth your time. Over the past few years, I've tested more than 10 different IPL and at-home laser hair removal devices on this channel. Some are great, some are okay, and some I used like once or twice and never went back to them. So one question I get a lot is, how do you actually choose the right IPL device when there are so many options now? In this video, I'll walk you through the things I personally look for when testing these devices. To make it practical, I'll use the Dreame Nova IPL hair removal device as an example to show you what makes a device easier to use consistently. Because with IPL, that's actually the key to getting results. So let's start with the basics, especially this is your first time learning about IPL devices. I think understanding how IPL works will help you set the right expectations. IPL stands for intense pulsed light. Instead of removing hair instantly with waxing or shaving, IPL sends light energy to the hair follicle. The pigment in the hair absorbs the light, which gradually weakens the follicle and slows down the regrowth over time. So IPL isn't about instant results, it's about reducing hair growth over time. Typically, you can see visible slower hair regrowth in 2 weeks. That's why something I learned after testing all these devices is that the real key is consistency. The most powerful device in the world won't do anything if you don't feel like using it regularly. And that happens a lot, more than you think. If, a device is uncomfortable, too complicated, which takes forever to use, and you will probably just use it once or twice and then just forget about it. So now when I test the IPL devices, I usually look at 5 things. Is it beginner friendly? Is it comfortable enough to use consistently? Is the treatment time fast? Is the energy strong enough to handle thicker hair? And of course, is it safe? So these are the things that actually determine whether a device will become part of your routine or just sits in your drawer. For example, one thing I noticed with this Dreame Nova IPL is that it's designed to be very simple to start using. Some IPL devices have a lot of buttons or different settings, very complicated. And if you're new to this, it might feel like a little intimidating. But with this one, you basically only have 3 zone modes: face, body, and the VIO for sensitive areas like bikini lines. Instead of adjusting a lot of different settings, you basically just tap the area you want and get started. Another thing I like about it is the automatic skin tone recognition, which means this device can read your skin tone and adjust the energy automatically. That's actually very helpful for beginners because one of the most common questions people have is, am I using the right setting? I have certain type of skin or hair, what energy level should I use? So with this device, you don't really have to worry about that. Comfort is another big factor for me because if something hurts, you're just not going to keep using it. Some IPL devices can feel pretty warm, especially on higher energy levels. The Dreame Nova has something they call a triple ice guard cooling system, which combines a sapphire ice cooling window, a cooling fan, and a copper heat dissipation. So it has 3 different things to work together in the system to make you feel comfortable during the treatment. But what it really means in real life is that the treatment window stays really cool when you're using it. So when I use it on my arms or underarms, the feeling was just like a cool touch on the skin. And I also tried it on the upper lip, which is usually a sensitive area because it's on the face. And you know what? It was still very comfortable. If you've ever been nervous about IPL being painful, this cooling system really makes a difference. It's very helpful. One thing that really affects IPL is the energy output. The Dreame Nova can deliver up to 27 joules, which is pretty strong for an at-home IPL device. Higher energy helps target the hair follicle more effectively, which can make a difference for coarser hair like bikini lines, like underarm, or like very thick male hair. Of course, such power only works if this device is comfortable enough to be used like regularly, which is where the cooling system helps like a lot. The next thing I always pay attention to is how long the treatments actually take, because if something takes forever, realistically, most people won't keep up with it. As you can see, the Dreame Nova has a fairly large treatment window, about 3.9 square centimeters. So each flash covers a good amount of skin. And it also flashes pretty quickly, about every 0.2 seconds. So you can glide across larger areas pretty smoothly. And auto glide mode does the job. The brand estimates about 10 minutes for a full body treatment, which is faster than a lot of older IPL models. Okay, so safety is another thing that a lot of people ask about IPL devices. The Dreame Nova IPL has FDA certification. That means it meets the safety standards for home use. And again, the automatic skin tone detection makes the whole process a lot more beginner-friendly and safe. Now let's talk about results, because that's obviously what everyone cares about. With IPL devices, the changes usually happen like over time, gradually, not overnight. For my testing, I used the device, this one, mostly on my arms. After about 2 weeks of consistent use, I started noticing the first changes. The hair growth started slowing down a little, and after a few weeks, the hair didn't come back like usual. And I also noticed that I wasn't reaching for my razors as often, which is usually the first sign that IPL is starting to work. So after testing quite a few IPL devices over the years, my biggest takeaway is that the best IPL device is the one that you will actually use consistently. In my opinion, the Dreame Nova IPL really stands out because there are a few things for this device to make the consistency a lot easier, like simple zone modes, strong cooling for comfort, fast treatment time, higher energy for stubborn hair, and built-in safety features. Those are the things that actually make the device easier to use instead of something sitting in your drawer. If you're curious about at-home IPL hair removal, I will highly recommend the Dreame Nova IPL, and I will leave the product information in the video description down below along with a discount code. And if you've tried IPL hair removal devices before, I would love to hear your experience. Let me know in the comment section. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!